Onke amehlo ethe ntsho emadodeni namhlanje njengoko ilusuku lwamadoda kwihlabathi liphela. Ukuqwalasela olu suku, isebe lamapolisa omasipala waseGoli i-JMPD ngamafutshane namhlanje lisungule iforam yamadoda ijonge ukunika amagosa amapolisa ngamadoda iqonga lokushukuxa ngokukhululekileyo imiba echaphazela impilo yabo yengqondo kunye neyomzimba ngokubanzi. Isithethi se-JMPD uSuperintendent Xolani Fihla uthi eyona njongo kukukhuthaza izenzo zobudoda ezincomekayo, ukunika inkxaso kumagosa amadoda nokwandisa indima yawo njengeenkokheli ezinoxanduva ekuhlaleni.
I-JMPD yethule ngokusemthethweni iforamu yabantu besilisa namhlanje eGoli. Le foramu ihlose ukudingida izinkinga ezibhekene nabantu besilisa abasebenzela i-JMPD njengoba kuvela ukuthi iziningi izigameko zabantu besilisa abazibulalayo ngenxa yengcindezi ababhekana nayo emsebenzini. Okhulumela i-JMPD uXolani Fihla uthi ukusungulwa kweforamu yabesilisa kwenziwe ngenhloso yokubhekana ngqo ney'nkinga ezibhekene nabantu besilisa.
We have seen ukuthi there's lots of challenges when it comes to amadoda which are not confronted. Amadoda face depression, amadoda have anxiety, they have a lot of challenges, and with this platform we are using it to firstly highlight these challenges, but secondly finding solutions ukuthi amadoda azosizwa kanjani.
Ufihla udalule izinkinga ezidala abasebenzi be-JMPD begcina beba nokhwantalala noma bathathe isinqumo sokubulala noma babe nesandla esilula kwabanye abantu.
Without job, and especially as law enforcement, it's physically and mentally draining. So you might find ukuthi the situations that we come across emgaqweni is either you come across dead bodies or you come across a situation where you have to use your firearm and abantu are shooting at you, and that becomes really stressful to our members. And if you don't get help, it leads to situations where you're going to commit suicide or you're going to be violent towards one of the members of public that you're meant to be serving or towards your family as well.
Uphinde waveza ukuthi le forum banethemba lokuthi izozixazulula lezi zinkinga, kanti futhi uphinde wanxenxa abantu besilisa ukuba banganqeni ukukhuluma ngezinkinga ababhekene nazo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguDawud Phungula ngibika ngiseGoli.